Hello everyone, it's Mr. Wolfe here, and in this video I'm going to be going over how we could rearrange our equation to make it easier for us to solve. So in this scenario right here, it looks like I'm looking for Q2 and I have all the other variables in my equation. If I could plug everything in for K, for Q1, for D squared and FE, but in terms of kind of multiplying and dividing these big numbers, all right, it's going to make it easy to mess up. So what I like to do is get the variable that I'm solving for, Q2 by itself, where all I'm doing is I'm just multiplying some numbers on the top divided by some numbers on the bottom. So let's take a look at how I would do this. Well, I'm going to start off with this d squared. I don't like having this fraction here, so I'm going to multiply d squared by both sides. So it cancels out over here, and then it appears on the top over here. So this is called flattening the equation. If I were to write this out now, I got d squared times the electric force is equal to kq1 q2. All right. Now, I want to get Q2 by itself, so I need to divide KQ1 by both sides. All right, so it cancels out on this side, appears over here at the bottom. So my equation ends up being d squared times the electric force divided by KQ1 is equal to Q2. So now what I could do is I could just multiply these numbers together, right? Making sure that I square this first before multiplying, and then divide it by these two numbers, multiply it together to get Q2. Again, it just makes it so you have less steps on your calculator.